Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to get toolbar back. So if you see the toolbar height like this, you can press control buttons and then press F1 to show the toolbar. You can press again to hide and press control plus F1 to unhide. You also can click at this icon to hide and then click again to show the toolbar. If you want to add more toolbar, you can go to File, click Spaceclaim option, and then go to Customize, click on Ribbon tabs. So in here you can check to add this option into the toolbar. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to get toolbar back. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.